We are living our own life. We take our own path.
I do it because I love it.
Pressure is something that kind of excites me.
世界で一番強いクライマーになりたいっていうのがあって。
Where are you, Brookie? You did it. You made the Olympics.
There'll never be another first Olympics for climbing.
I would have a place like this just for that one medal.
Janja Garnbret is the best rock climber in the world.
Shauna could do the hardest moves and make them look easy.
If you want to win the Olympics, you're going to have to beat Miho Nonaka. Brooke's relatively young, but also wants to win that gold medal in Tokyo. Anything could happen.
As a little girl, I like to climb on everything.
I was born into it.
And I just looked at my dad and I was like, I want to do that.
Climbing's really the ultimate sport. It tests every element of human performance.
It's about exploration. It's about discovery.
Climbers have got to slay all the dragons.
My biggest obstacle is my mind. My perfectionism can destroy me.
She is struggling with shoulder injuries.
She's gone from an elite athlete to almost unable to walk.
I have to choose how much suffering I want to do for it.
This outbreak is becoming a pandemic.
Everything is closed. Nobody is allowed to train. The world went apart.
This is definitely a situation that we didn't foresee.
もうなんか本当お手上げみたいな時になった時があって。
But not one that I don't think we can come out stronger on the other side of.
Change is what makes us stronger.
The climbers who go are going to be the pioneers. Before you could be a successful climber, now you could be an Olympic gold medalist.
We have to be 100% there, 100% focused.
Every mistake could be massive, it could cost you everything.
When you're competing, it's just you and the wall.